Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access, workspace and active cluster and storage credentials. Next, choose where to land data, DBFS, S3, ATLS, or Blob, because your choice affects connectors and latency. Once decided, upload a small sample file or point to the container. This lets you iterate quickly. Make sure to note the file path and expected schema, since early schema mismatches cause silent failures. Now attach required IAM or mount storage, so the cluster can read the data. You then open a notebook, choose Python or SQL, and attach it to the running cluster. Use Spark. Read with explicit options, header true, infer schema false, and pass a defined schema because that prevents type surprises at scale. Once loaded, inspect structure with df, print schema, and a few df. Show rows, then run df, count to confirm completeness. If types or nulls differ, cast columns, fill or drop nulls, and select only needed fields to optimize storage and performance for downstream use. You finalize by writing transformed data back. Choose Parquet for compact analytics or Delta Lake to get ACID and time travel features. Partition by a common column to speed queries. Once written, register the dataset in the Hive Metastore or Unity catalog so others can query it, and set permissions. If something breaks, first check storage ACLs and cluster driver logs. Then confirm the schema you used matches the file and that required connectors or libraries are installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.